Good morning, children. Welcome back to games class. First, did you do your last week warm-up exercise, children? Yes? Wow. Very happy to hear that. No? Oh, you have to start the exercise without any delay. Some of my lovely kids send me the videos. Teacher is very happy. Keep smiling, children. Now let's start this week with finger aerobics. What is aerobics? Exercise. Now, why should we do finger aerobics? Hand and finger exercises can help you to strengthen your hands. Your small kids know. So your hands will be tender. It's not have the habit of writing, right? Yes. So we will train our fingers and hands to move independently, and you can increase your range of motion, and it will give you pain relief also. You will complain your mama, no? Mama, hand paining. Now if you did these exercises, no complaints, no hand pain, okay? Get familiar with 6 of them. First exercise, finger lifts. Place your hand on a table and lift your fingers as far as possible, one by one. Do with both hands, children. Now second exercise is finger extension stretch. Keep your hands flat on a solid surface. Hold one finger with index finger of other hand. Gently, slowly pull the finger upward direction. Move as far as possible, but it should not be paining for you. Okay, just remember that it should not hurt you. And hold it for 5 seconds, then slowly release. Do with other fingers. When you are doing your finger exercise, do for left and right, children. Now third one is tendon gliding. Fan out your fingers, stretch your palm a little. This is our starting position. Now bend all your fingers except thumb and touch the bottom of your palm. This is our bottom of the palm. Touch the bottom of our palm. Bring the fingers back again. Bend all your fingers except your thumb and touch the middle of your palm. Middle of our palm. Back your fingers back in our starting position. Now touch the fingertips with your thumb tip like this. Then again touch the bottom of your fingers with your thumb finger like this. This is our bottom of our palm, and this is our middle of our palm, and this is the bottom of our fingers. Touch the bottom of the fingers with your thumb. Okay, exercise finger spread. Place your hand on a table, make a fist, and then slowly release after 5 seconds. Fist means close. Close your hand like this. Then again release like this. Now the fifth exercise is objects pickup. For this exercise, you have to place some coins, buttons, or else you can choose pencils also. Place the objects on one side of the table, and with your thumb and pointer finger, you choose one by one and bring them to other place, and again bring them back. This is very easy exercise, children. Next one is thumb extension. Place your hand on a table and use an elastic band for this exercise. Or you can use the hair band also. Place the band in 2 fingers, thumb and pointer finger, and with the thumb of other hand you have to extend as much as possible and slowly release. Extend like this, it will come. Extend, then hold for 5 seconds and slowly release. These exercises will strengthen your fingers and give you good handwriting. Now I had selected one more video for you. These are only 6 exercises, children. Now next 6 I will teach you in next section.
Squeeze, Jules. Open them up. Squeeze. Close. Okay. Keep going. Okay, then pull up. Then spread your fingers apart. Duck ate a lemon. Duck talking. Duck ate a lemon. Duck talking. Yeah. Open it like this. Now make a fist. And open it. Yeah, and open it.
Hope you like the exercises. No delay in exercise. Start it today itself. Thank you. Bye-bye.